Apple cider vinegar has been a subject of interest for many health enthusiasts due to its potential benefits, including weight loss. But does apple cider vinegar really help you lose weight? This is what you'll discover in this video. Welcome to Natural Cures channel. We are the oldest and largest YouTube channel about natural remedies and healthy lifestyle. We researched dozens of scientific articles and people's testimonials on the internet to answer this question. How about liking this video to help us? It's quick and makes a big difference to us. We really appreciate it. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented product made from crushed and aged apples. The fermentation process creates acetic acid, the active ingredient in vinegar. Some studies suggest that acetic acid can improve metabolism, reduce fat storage, and suppress appetite. A systematic review and meta-analysis found that apple cider vinegar consumption significantly decreased cholesterol, blood sugar, and hemoglobin A1C, which are all factors related to weight management and overall health. In a 2009 study, participants who consumed 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily for 3 months experienced modest weight loss and lower triglyceride levels. Another study in 2018 found that participants on a restricted calorie diet who consumed about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily over 12 weeks lost significantly more weight and body fat than those who did not consume apple cider vinegar. In addition, countless anecdotal evidence also suggests that apple cider vinegar may aid in weight loss. If you're interested in trying apple cider vinegar for weight loss, there are several ways to incorporate it into your diet. Most research recommends a daily dosage of approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in water. It's also suggested to consume it before or after meals. You can also use apple cider vinegar with olive oil as a salad dressing, which is particularly tasty with leafy greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Another method is to have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water first thing in the morning, which can also help burn abdominal fat. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe in small quantities, it may erode tooth enamel or cause stomach upset in some people. Therefore, it's recommended to dilute apple cider vinegar in water or another liquid and to avoid taking it in large amounts. In conclusion, while apple cider vinegar may offer some health benefits, it's not a magic solution for weight loss. It's more likely to aid weight loss when combined with other diet and lifestyle changes. Why not give it a try? Do you plan to use or have you already used apple cider vinegar to lose weight? What were the results? Let us know in the comments. Did you know that you can make your own apple cider vinegar at home? It's a cheaper and healthier alternative. If you want to learn more, click on the video that is appearing above.